Hello all. From this video we'll make a series regarding how to make bar plot like different types of bar plot. So this video will be about how to make a bar plot. For that we are importing the libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. From that we are going to use plot, and here we are making use of two data, that is one is for x variable and y variable. For within x variable we are making use of the uh, data which is we are just making a random expression. So in case if you want to plot and bar plot like this, in that case you can use this code. So here what are the things which we have used is C++, Java and Python, and for that we are just make some values like how many students are using this code, and from this bar plot you can identify that Python languages are learned by many students, and when up after this Java comes takes the place, and after that C and C++. And if you want to see that exact values means you can just move over here. Then this courses we have made within a list, and this values also we can make within a list, and we have plotted this as a figure, and we have given its size as 10 comma 5. And then for creating a bar plot we are using this function, that is plot dot bar, and then we are using this courses and values, and the color we have using is maroon. If you want some other color means you can just rechange it. For example, if you want red color means I am just giving as red. So now I am rerunning it, so now you can notice that there is some difference. So width also we are giving for this plot, that is this plot which should be 0.4. So if you are not mentioning means the default width of the plot will be obtained. So I'm just removing it because this thing is not necessary. So the default thing it will be like this, but I think it is somewhat better than this, so I'm just moving it out. Then to give the x label we are giving plot dot x label courses, and it will be come over here. Then plot dot y label means it will come over here. Here we are giving number of students, and then in the title we are giving students in different courses. And to show the plot we have to use this function. I am just commenting it. So if we are not using this thing means the plot it won't show as mentioned, so I'm just removing it. So now it will be clear. So this is the code for making a bar plot. So in the next video we will be making the same bar plot only, but here we are using only one variables like one x variable and y variable. But in the next video we will be making with multiple bar plot. Thank you.